Yes, hello, ka-JAM&C once again. Tuturuan ko po kayo kung how to unlock this FRP. It was formatted by the owner. Look at it. Start. Tingnan natin more. Just need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Accept. Kailangan natin mag-connect sa Wi-Fi. Don't copy. Ito po pala yung tinatawag nilang Lenovo Tab M8. Mingi siya ng pattern, tingnan nyo. Ayaw. Then use my Gmail instead. Nalimutan kasi ng forgotten password. That's why yung owner pinormat niya, ito yung lumabas. No next button. Wala. Hindi ma-next. Kita nyo, nagre-red lang. Walang skip button. Still, pati yung Google account kasi is forgotten. That's why you need to bypass it. Back. Follow the instruction. You need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Nothing more. No need computer. No need. Just connect to the Wi-Fi and follow the whole tutorial. Just back. Then, let's start. Click start. Kita nyo, Lenovo license agreement L500500906R. Then you need to swipe up. Then click the word software. Long press. Click it. The word software. Any word. Pwede instead software acquired. Okay. Again, long press anything. Then click share. Then you will be able to see the word Gmail. Long press the Gmail. Click app info. Then go to notification. Click notification. Again, notification. Then click advance. Then additional setting in the app. Click it. Then go to the upper right. There are 3 buttons. Still you need to click it. Then click help and feedback. If this appears, ito na yung lalabas, just click the word this. D-I-S. This. Nakikita nyo yung sa baba, delete or disable apps on Android. Click it. Then ito yung lalabas sa akin. Yung iba, hindi itong lalabas, yung iba ganito. Pag ganito yung lumabas, delete and disable manage use apps for Android. Click it. Then may lalabas na ganito. Support. Delete app that you installed. Go to the color blue, number 1. Tap to go to the application setting. Click it. Ito yung lalabas. Pag ganyan, swipe up until makita mo yung word na settings. Click it. Then after that, you need to click open. Then you need to swipe up again. Then look for the word security. You just need to click the security. Then go to screen pinning. Click screen pinning. Sometimes it was off like that. Kung off yung screen pinning nyo, kailangan nyo lang i-turn on. Ganito. Turn on. Then yung sa baba, lock device when unpinning. Lock the device when unpinning. Pwede din. Yun. Ngayon, may lalabas na pattern, pin, password. Click the word pattern. Sabi niya, this helps protect data lost or stolen. Required pattern to start your device. Yes. Click yes. Then, let us put a password. Letter L. Next, confirm. Letter L. Confirm. After that, need to go back. Click back. Back until you will be able to go again to the main menu. Okay. Again, click start. Go to more. Accept. Just wait. Don't copy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then need to put our password L. See? Just wait. There is a word skip. No need to next. Just click the word skip. The word skip. More. Accept. Accept. All follow-ups to review additional apps. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Watch the whole video. Skip. Click skip. Accept and continue. Finish. Finish. Just wait. Very good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.